Meanwhile, the Judicial Service Commission will from tomorrow interview all the 37 candidates shortlisted for the positions of Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice and Judge of the Supreme Court. Tonight, our reporter Murimi Mwangi gives an insight on what to expect in interviews of the 6 candidates shortlisted for the position of Chief Justice.
Court of Appeal Judge Al-Nashir Visram will be the first of the 6 candidates shortlisted for the Chief Justice job to be publicly interviewed by the Judicial Service Commission. The other 5 candidates are Supreme Court Judge Murimi Mwangi, Court of Appeal Judges David Maraga and Rosny Nambuye, Principal High Court Judge Musaga Mbogoli, and Senior Counsel Nzamba Kitonga.
After the interviews, the names will then be of the successful parties will submit to the President for submission to the National Assembly for the 2 names, that is for Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice. For the Supreme Court, the final name will be submitted to the President for appointment, for swearing in.
I would like the Judicial Service Commission to be like Caesar's wife, absolutely above reproach. And the only way to do it is for them to make sure that it's in open for the public to witness.
Yeah, they are under obligation as an institution, as a constitutional body or commission, to give Kenyans the best Chief Justice. And my take will come when they present the name to Parliament.
But KTN News has now learned that an anonymous petitioner has asked the JSC to block Justice Visram's bid for the Chief Justice job over a Bomet land dispute dating back to 1999, where a law firm then associated with the judge was sued for alleged fraud. Court records, however, indicate that Justice Visram was cleared of any wrongdoing on the 20th of April, 2012. In a second petition before the JSC, blogger Abraham Mutai wants Justice Wanjala blocked from ascending to the position of Chief Justice. The petitioner claims Wanjala did little to advance the war against graft during his tenure as Deputy Director of the now defunct Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission (CAS).
A judge is a judge of people, and therefore any question, any issue, any skeleton they may have arisen that will arise should be raised and handled on the spot.
But the ghosts of past corruption scandals may also come to haunt Nzamba Kitonga, who served as the vice chair of the Goldenberg Commission. In yet another petition, Mutai claims that Kitonga and other commissioners failed to summon key suspects in the scam. Regarding the petitions, JSC acting chairperson Professor Margaret Kobia said each of the candidates will be given ample time to express themselves and to even seek clarifications.
But I hope the men and women who will be picked to serve on the Supreme Court will be the very best. And whoever they are, I hope they can just do their job. I think we are independent institutions and arms of government are messing this country by playing politics.
Executive roles cannot be curtailed by the judiciary. Neither can judiciary, become a squatter in the periphery of the legislature.
With the momentum of the campaigns hinting that the 2017 poll will end with the presidential election petition, then the upcoming interviews are crucial for not only the reconstitution of the Supreme Court, but also redeeming the image of the Kenyan judiciary ahead of the polls. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.